everyone, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to start our 20th video of GK MCQ series, which will cover computer and internet basics. So let's start with question number 1. So the question number 1 is, what does CPU stand for? A. Central Processing Unit, B. Computer Processing Unit, C. Central Programming Unit, and D. Control Processing Unit. So the right answer is Central Processing Unit. Do you know the CPU is called the brain of computer, invented conceptually by John von Neumann. Question number 2 is, which of the following is a programming language? HTML, MS Word, Java, Photoshop. If you are from the computer background, then you will give the answer within seconds. But if you are not from computer background, then it will take some time. So you have 5 seconds to guess the right answer. So the right answer is Java. Java was created in 1995 by Sun Microsystems and is still widely used today. If you want to know what are the programming languages, then let me know in the comment box. The next video which I will make, I will explain there what is the programming language. Question number 3 is, what does www stand for? Very easy question, you have 5 seconds to think. So the right answer is World Wide Web. The World Wide Web was invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. So question number 4 is, which key is used to refresh a web page? If you use computer, then this question is very important for you, because whenever we turn on the computer, the first step we do is refreshing the computer. So the right answer is F5. Pressing F5 reload a web page or refreshes the screen in many programs. So F5 is not only used to refresh the computer but any web page too. So here is the question number 5. What is the shortcut to copy a file or text? It's also a very easy question. If you want to know the overall shortcut keys of computer, then let me know. I will make the next video on shortcut keys. So here are 4 options. Guess the correct answer. Right answer is Control C. The Control C copy shortcut comes from Xerox's early computer systems. The question number 6 is, which of the following is a web browser? There are 4 options. While watching these 4 options, you may think these all are web browsers, but not. Look at carefully, you will find correct answer. Okay, the right answer is Firefox. Mozilla Firefox was first released in 2002 and became a popular alternative to Internet Explorer. Here, Google is a search engine. Many people confuse that Google is a web browser, but Chrome is a web browser while Google is a search engine. Question number 7 is, what does URL stand for? This question is also very easy. So the right answer is Uniform Resource Locator. A URL is simply the address of a resource on the web. These questions are very common questions which comes in any competitive exams in the computer part. So you must know all of these questions. The question number 8 is, Google Chrome is a type code. Okay, so I have told this already, so I think you can guess it quickly. The right answer is web browser. Launched in 2008, Chrome quickly became the most used browser worldwide. The question number 9, the brain of computer is. Alright, this question is, I think, extremely easy and you can guess it very quickly. Correct answer is CPU. Just like a brain, it processes instructions and controls other parts of the system. Question number 10 is, what is the full form of RAM? Okay, what the RAM is? If you know what the RAM is, then you can answer it very quickly. Random access memory. RAM is a temporary memory that clears when the computer is turned on. Question number 11 is Microsoft Excel is used for. So the correct answer is spreadsheet. Excel was first released in 1985 and is now the world's most used spreadsheet software. Question number 12 is which company owns YouTube? The YouTube which we use a lot. Who owns it? The right answer is Google. Google bought YouTube in 2006 for $1.65 billion. Question number 13 is a device that converts digital signals into analog and vice versa. Vice versa means digital to analog and analog to digital. Okay, the right answer is modem. Modem comes from modulator plus demodulator. If you want to know what is digital signals and what is analog signal, then let me know in the comment box. Question number 14 is what is the storage capacity of a standard CD-ROM? So the correct answer is 700 MB. A standard CD-ROM stores about 700 MB, equal to roughly 80 minutes of audio. Question number 15 is which is not an input device? So the right answer is printer. Printer is an output device because it produces a physical copy of data. Question number 16 is what is the function of an operating system? So the correct answer is manage hardware and software. Examples include Windows, Linux and Mac OS. They act as the bridge between user and hardware. Question number 17 is what does HTTP stand for? The correct answer is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Introduced in 1991, HTTP is the foundation of communication on the web. Question number 18 is which one is not a search engine? The correct answer is Chrome. I've already told you that Chrome is a web browser. So Chrome is a web browser. Search engine includes Google, Bing and DuckDuck. Question number 19. What is the full form of USB? We all use USB, but what does it stand for? So the correct answer is Universal Serial Bus. USB was introduced in 1996 to standardized connections between computers and devices. Here is the last question of this video. Which of the following is an email service? So the correct answer is Outlook. Microsoft Outlook is one of the most widely used professional email platforms. So here our 20 questions has been completed. So let's meet in the next video with next topic. If you like the video, then share with your friends and family circles which are interested in knowing the computer and internet basics. So bye bye. See you soon in the next video.